So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can fix full storage in your Android phone. So for this, first of all open the settings application, or you can also open the settings page from the notification settings, this icon, and friends, here tap on about phone option, or if your phone has storage option then tap on storage option, because different devices have different options. Tap on this icon option friends, and then tap on storage option. So friends, here you can check all the storage related data that which application has consumed. And friends, then tap on free up storage option guys. And guys, here you can see all that files which images or which application has consumed much storage. So guys, delete all that files or application which is not much useful for you. And guys, if you follow all these steps, the problem of full storage will be fixed in your Android phone. So if you have any questions, please comment on this video, must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos like this.